Asteroids Deluxe was so hard the developer had to make it easier. Occasionally, designers might cross a line as they tried to balance a game's difficulty with the frustration that comes with not being able to progress. Atari fell afoul of this issue in 1981 with Asteroids Deluxe. The sequel was created as its predecessor was deemed too easy, but the designers went too far in the other direction. The machines had to be updated after their initial release because players were complaining that the game was simply too hard. Galaga has a famous cheat to make things much easier. Galaga has a famous cheat to make things much easier. High score attempts take multiple days. High score attempts take multiple days. This even happens during world record attempts. This even happens during world record attempts. Games would sometimes suffer hardware failures. Games would sometimes suffer hardware failures. The original Tetris becomes impossible at level 29. Some games have kill screens that you cannot pass. Some games have kill screens that you cannot pass. Psychological pressure was used to keep players inserting coins. Psychological pressure was used to keep players inserting coins. Arcade games were meant to be addictive rather than rewarding. Arcade games were meant to be addictive rather than rewarding. Games were designed to be easy to pick up but difficult to master. Developers make their games purposely difficult. Manufacturers want you to spend as little time as possible in each play. The entire industry was built around players paying for small amounts of content.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.